Hi guys, I thought I would just leave you a little bit of a note here on feedback for your rhetorical analysis papers. I think you guys did a really good job. Um, I'm excited about the work that I've seen and the learning that I believe has happened during this unit. A couple of notes on your grade. You can go in and access the rubric that shows the breakdown of each of the sections and the points that you received per those sections. So if you're interested in doing that rather than just seeing the overall score, that is available to you. If you can't find it, let me know. I also left each of you individual feedback. A couple of notes overall. Um, Make sure you use MLA citation on our next couple of papers. The grading rubric that we use for our course across the board with all the teachers allots 10 points for formatting. So those are really easy points to lose or to gain. The Purdue OWL, which I've recommended to a few of you, is probably the best resource I know of current MLA citation rules. But again, it's worth those few points, make a difference. And you'll want to make sure you use MLA citation on our next two papers if you didn't on this one. Also, make sure that you proofread. It can be really hard when you've been working so hard on a paper and reading it over and over and over again to actually catch your own mistakes that you've made. I've been writing a long time and I still make sure that my husband or somebody reads through what I write so that errors can be caught. Another extra pair of eyes, whether it's a spouse or a roommate or someone at the writing center or a friend or a parent, will do you a world of good there. Page length, if you got marks down for page length, know that it is not about word counts. It's about the depth of analysis that a 5.5 to 6 page paper demonstrates. So if you wrote 3 or 4 pages, there just wouldn't have been as much depth there in your analysis. And then most of you did this, but if you write rhetorical analysis in the future, remember to use the terms ethos, pathos, and logos. Those are kind of the tools of the trade for rhetorical analysis, and professional rhetorical analysis writers use those terms as well. So, but overall, fantastic, fantastic job.